In this video, we're going to share with you the unboxing of the King Swift RV Wi-Fi Antenna system, and we're starting right now.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be a part of the conversation. Welcome back. My name is Aaron with Three Tails RV. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the King Swift roof-mounted omnidirectional Wi-Fi antenna and Wi-Fi router range extender we recently purchased from Amazon. If you're interested in this item for yourself, we have provided an affiliate link in the description below. So let's look at the information provided on the package. Only 9.5 inches tall, roof-mounted with spring-loaded base, providing an omnidirectional signal acquisition. The antenna exceeds 2.4 MHz for the best range, plus the router broadcasts at 5 GHz for the fastest speeds. Alright, so let's head over to the back side of this package and read some of the technical information that's provided on the box here. On the back it says that you can upgrade your Wi-Fi experience. Stay connected anywhere you go with this essential package for tech-savvy travelers, providing a gateway between all of the web-enabled devices and local Wi-Fi sources. The King Swift Omnidirectional Wi-Fi Antenna plus the King WiFiMax Wi-Fi Router and range extender deliver a fast, more powerful internet connection anywhere you are. No more walking to the coffee shop or visitor center to get Wi-Fi. Now you can connect right from your vehicle. No monthly service fees and no contracts. The King Wi-Fi Swift antenna mounts to your vehicle's roof so you can maximize the range and performance of the King WiFiMax, making this the ideal combination for RVers, truckers, campers, tailgaters, and mobile adventurers who want to remain connected to the internet with superior Wi-Fi performance. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's go over some of the technical specifications for it. It has a wireless standards. Both of them are the same except for the Wi-Fi Swift does not have the AC. It has the A, B, G, and N, and the WiFiMax offers the AC standard. Wireless speeds at 2.4 GHz is up to 300 megabits per second, 5 GHz up to 867 megs per second, with a combination of up to 1,167 megs per second. Radio frequencies are 2.4 GHz and also has 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band. Antenna, the King Wi-Fi Swift 1x3 dBi roof-mounted omnidirectional antenna, while the King Swift 3x 5 dBi external omnidirectional antennas. Setup requirements: the Wi-Fi enabled device on most browsers include Chrome, Safari, and Foxfire. And you know you'll have the proper internet security with WPA or WPA2. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride, and we will see you on our next video.